Hello friends! For a long time, I used to think that this whole thing was called a bullet. I actually thought that when we shoot, this whole thing would fly out and hit the enemy straight on. Later, I realized that this part actually holds the firing mechanism and the entire setup for the bullet. Earlier on this channel, we had made a video explaining how a cannon works. Just like in a cannon, the same action happens inside this small component too. Don't look at the size. This little guy is powerful. Now let's see how the mechanism works inside a bullet and how it's fired. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you're new, we explain topics in a simple way using 3D animations on this channel. A bullet is fired as the result of multiple components working together. This is the part that shoots forward to hit the target, the bullet or projectile. It is usually made from lead or a lead alloy. This is covered with a copper metal jacket. A bullet usually weighs around 7.5 to 9.5 grams. Its design is aerodynamic to reduce air resistance. This part is called the casing. The bullet is placed inside this part. It's commonly made from brass or steel. It also serves as a container for the other components of the bullet. The casing also helps to prevent gas leakage. This is the propellant, basically a chemical mixture. In older guns, gunpowder was commonly used as the propellant. Nowadays, smokeless powder is used, which is typically a mixture of nitrocellulose and nitroglycerin. A bullet typically contains about 0.26 to 0.39 grams of propellant. When it burns, it creates high-pressure gas inside the casing. As a result, the bullet is fired with great force. When you pull the trigger, the firing pin hits the primer hard. The primer is a tiny explosive component placed at the base of the casing. When the firing pin strikes, the primer ignites. This spark ignites the propellant. When the propellant burns, high-pressure gas fills this area. When the pressure hits its peak, the bullet shoots forward at high speed. A bullet typically travels at speeds ranging from 300 to 420 meters per second. Stay tuned for another 3D explanation video. Thank you.